Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moa and I create a lot. I'm doing hair, clothes, accessories, everything you need to do to come up with the beautiful pictures. First of all, thank you so much again for being here on my channel, for all of your likes, all of your support. It really means a lot and it's melting my heart. Lately I was doing a lot of historical inspired shoots, so I was having a lot of corset, a lot of blouse, a lot of everything, and I decided to turn 180 and do completely different. I want to have something more glamorous, I want to have a lot of diamonds, a lot of stones. So basically the inspiration for this shoot is just Shine Bright Like a Diamond from Rihanna. So before that I had an amazing Cruella inspired shoot and I had a jacket. So I deconstructed this jacket, I cut it in half to have a crop jacket, and then actually I glued as many diamonds as I could in this jacket to have it more glamorous.
Because I already used this jacket, it doesn't look the best, but it's still fulfilling its purpose. First, I cut all the part that I didn't want to use, then I make it like crop and more fitted with more K-pop vibes. Then I create the pattern, outline everything in stones, and I didn't like it. Then I tried to add more stones with a bigger one and I still wasn't liking it. Then I decided to create this like starry night effect, so I cut all my diamonds in very small pieces, and I have more diamonds in the front of the jacket and they go in less, then I go to the bottom, and this turned out beautiful.
After I was done with the jacket, I realized that it's looking too much of performer vibes and I wanted to be like more mysterious. So I thrifted the earrings and I add some Venom vibes, and I also have this amazing nail rings. They also look like very cute.
First of all, I really want to mimic the nail, so I start with the almond-shaped diamond, and to this diamond I connect a lot of smaller ones. And to connect this nail to my fingers, I used a lot of different wires. Basically, it's a lot of experimentations. It's a really work in progress, but it's worked. To create this venomous effect, my first attempt was a resin, but it didn't work the way I wanted, so I ended up scratching this and I used just a normal glue gun with a black glue to create this like nice, cool, corrupted venom effect.
My model Michelle is familiar to you from my previous historical look, and we were shooting this just right after we done with the historical one, and unfortunately the accident happened on the shoot. I am accidentally pour on the Michelle the glue that I was using to glue the diamonds to her skin, and as you can see she's taking it like a pro and I am like lost completely and I couldn't get myself together. That was horrible.
Nothing was predicting this accident, so everything was going according to plan. As usually, I start with the hair. We have this like nice K-pop inspired look. Then I darken the eyes, I outline the lips. We have a lot of lip gloss on the lips, a very defined look. And then it was only the diamonds to attach, and I attached diamond with a mastic, and I have no idea what happened. Maybe I got distracted on something, but this was the last what I record, because then I just get into the panic mode and I'm like panicking and stressing, so yeah.
After the accident, we still continue shooting and I have 4 paper sheets glued to the wall together, and I have 2 very colorful lights to have this like more neon effects on shoot.
As usually, I start with a color correction and a light setup, so sometimes it takes a little bit more time than usual when we start shooting, and Michelle was amazing. She embraced the look, she worked with accessories, she worked with hair, she worked with makeup, so it was a blast to work with her. I highly recommend. She is a dream girl for this.
For the post-production, obviously I need to fix the background because it wasn't a solid background. Also, I need to fix the jewelry because sometimes it gets a little bit off on the hands, but the rest was amazing.
So basically here I'm retouching the diamonds, I'm adding more shine to the skin, I fix the imperfection. Basically it's the background because the background was the biggest problem in this, but the rest was kinda easy.
So the picture turned out so beautiful, Michelle looking amazing, it's so glamorous, I like the neon vibes a lot. It's definitely different what I'm usually doing, and this is everything I wanted from these pictures. So this is the end of my YouTube video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all of your likes and comments. Please support me on Patreon if you can, and I hope I will see you next Tuesday.